So you are not getting Instagram messages or they are not coming through on time. Don't worry, let's fix this together. So the first thing, you have to check your internet connection, because a weak connection often blocks message from loading. And then you have to check your message request. So just from your Instagram, go for message, and from the request, make sure it's not hiding up. If all messages are coming from here, so for that you have to change the settings. From your profile, go for the hamburger menu, then scroll down, tap on message and story replies, then message request, and make sure who can send you a message request are selected on everyone, or you can select it your followers too. This will fix the issue most of the cases. If it's still not working, just close the Instagram app completely and just restart your device. Sometimes this will fix some minor glitches. But if it's only one person messages missing, they might have restricted you or you might be. So just go to their profile, tap on 3 dot and check if you're restricted them or not. If you see this option unrestricted, just go for it and that's fine. Your message should come now. But if nothing works, just take screenshot of your problem. Then you have to shake your phone for reporting your problem to Instagram. Just send them your screenshot with details and that's it. I hope any of this process works for you. Thanks for watching.